Okay, so we know that gases are less dense than water. They all float. They have a very low density. But it turns out that even though you know of gases that are less dense than air, those that float, like make our balloons, there are some gases that are heavier than air. And this is a lot of the flammable ones, and this is a big danger to firemen. And so what I have here is a gas that's less dense than air, and what I want to try and do is I'm going to pour it here. Now the liquid won't be pouring, but you'll see you might see the vapors, but the vapors are going to flow down the ramp. This gas is flammable, and at the end there's a candle. And of course we have a lot of oxygen there, right? So we have a great opportunity for fire, right? Okay, so here we go. And again, I'm just pouring the vapors. I'm not pouring any liquid, so just pouring the vapors down the ramp. When they get there, you'll see that they're down there.
That awkward moment.
How it'll happen.
Ooh.
Right? You guys see that?
Mm-hmm.
Let's try it one more time. Let's see if we can get a few more vapors. Okay. So the vapor's heavier, flow, flow, flow. Get down to the candle. All right.
Whoa!
Okay. So now what would happen if, of course, we just left the bottle there?
I don't know.
Fun.
What would happen?
What would happen? All right. So let's try it, right? Probably go inside the bottle, something like that.
Maybe.
Whoa!
Oh, God.
There you go.
Do